Hi, I'm Oliver. Today's lesson will be very interesting, so pay attention. I will only tell you once. If you want to say all possible combinations, I love you, you love me, she loves him, we love them, etc., etc. In English, what do we need? First, a set of personal pronouns called the subject. There are 8 of these. Then the verb, which has 2 forms. And finally, another set of personal pronouns called the object. Again, there are 8 of these. What does this mean? That in order to say all those possible combinations, you need to know 14 different words. And now in Chinese. First, the personal pronouns. All you need to know are these 4 little words. Next comes the verb. Verbs in Chinese are all infinitive. They never change. And finally, we repeat the same personal pronouns that we used before. They stay the same, regardless if it's subject or object. What does this mean? That in Chinese, for all those combinations, you only need to know 5 little words. Now, isn't that easy? Okay, let's begin with the personal pronouns, singular. I, that's 我.
我
You, that's 你.
你
He, she, it. It's all the same. 他.
他
And now the plural. Plural is the same as singular. You just have to add men at the end. So we is woman.
我们
You, plural, is 你们.
你们
And they is 他们.
他们
Here you can see all the personal pronouns, including the characters. And as you can see, you will need the characters to know if ta is masculine, feminine, or neuter. Next, the verb love, which is I.
爱
I repeat that verbs in Chinese are all infinitive and never change. Now that you know all the personal pronouns, as well as the verb love, you can say all those combinations that I mentioned before. For example, I love you. That's 我爱你. Or plural, you love us. That's 你们爱我们. Or she loves him. 她爱他.